The Honda Amaze is generally considered a good car, particularly for city driving, due to its spacious boot, comfortable cabin, fuel efficiency, and the inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, features, making it a strong contender in its class, especially for first-time car buyers. However, some might find its engine performance slightly underwhelming and could point to areas like under-thigh support needing improvement depending on individual needs. Pros: 1. Spacious boot, one of the largest in its segment. 2. Fuel efficiency, known for good mileage. 3. Comfortable cabin, provides decent space for passengers. 4. ADAS features, offers advanced safety features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. And 5. Reliable engine. Honda's reputation for reliable engines applies to the Amaze. Cons: 1. Engine performance. Some might find the engine lacking power, especially on highways. 2. Under-thigh support. Backseat legroom could be better for taller passengers. 3. Basic design. Some might find the exterior design a bit plain. And 4. Price. Compared to other options in the segment, it might be slightly more expensive. Amaze is a value-for-money car with no useless features like the sunroof. It has an ADAS camera-based, 6 airbags from the base model, and most importantly a 4-cylinder engine, and since it, sa Honda, tere, sa no question of reliability. Was this review helpful? Amaze good for long drives. A overview jod 4 years, the Honda Amaze is considered a good choice for long drives there. Cabin, dense suspension for smooth rides, good fuel efficiency, and dikte safety features, making it suitable for extended journeys with minimal. No, the Honda MJ is not a luxury car, but does have some premium features. IT, sa compact sedan tehet, sa considered affordable and well equipped. The mileage of the Honda Amaze depends on the model year and the variant. The 2024 Honda Amaze has a claimed mileage of 18.65 km/kmpl for the manual transmission. 19.46 kmpl for the Kavat. The Honda Amaze is considered a failure, primarily due to its lack of significant safety features, resulting in poor crash test ratings, an outdated design, and a perceived lack of power in its engine, especially when compared to newer competitors in the compact sedan segment. Additionally, some users reported issues with the automatic transmission performance and a noisy diesel engine in earlier models, के races for the Amaze, sa perceived failure. Poor safety ratings, the Amaze received low crash test scores in recent global NCAP tests due to the lack of standard safety features like side airbags, electronic stability control, ESC, and advanced seatbelt reminders, which are now considered essential in modern cars. Outdated design, compared to newer competitors, the Amaze, sa design is seen sa outdated and lacks the modern aesthetics tehet manya bueras look for. Engine performance concerns, some uses criticize the Amaze, sa engine for being underpowered, especially when accelerating highways or overtaking. Automatic transmission issues. Certain uses reported problems with the Amaze, sa automatic transmission, cheating delayed responses and suboptimal gear shifts. Diesel engine noise. Earlier diesel variants of the Amaze were known for excessive engine noise, which affected the driving experience. The ability of the Honda Amaze to climb hills is a topic of interest for those considering this compact sedan for their driving needs, especially in regions characterized by hilly terrain. The Amaze, likhe Maya vehicles in its class, is equipped with na engine tehet offers balance between power and efficiency, but certain factors must be taken into account when it comes to hill climbing. One critical aspect is the torque output of the Amaze's engine. Torque is the force that enables a vehicle to overcome resistance and ascend inclines. While the Amaze's torque may be suitable for moderate hill climbs, it may encounter challenges on steep and prolonged slopes. The vehicle's performance on hills largely depends on